Okay, guys, I want to deposit money in my CDCare app so that I can continue paying for my phone. So let's start. Let me go to my OPA account, open my OPA account. I want to pay. Okay, so to my bank, I have 4,000. Which bank am I paying? I'm paying to my CDCare account. Select my CDCare account. And I'm paying 4,150 naira. Let me transfer this amount to my CDCare account. Okay. I already have some money in my CDK account. So this one is just to complete the money I have in my CDK account. So that I can now I don't have money, close it. Bring up my CDK. This is my CDK account. Okay, it's loading. Now go to my account. View my money box. So the money is completed now. 20,000. I just sent, look at the money I just sent now. This is the money I just transferred now. 4,115 naira. It has arrived 16th March 2026. 2:30 p.m. That's the money I just transferred. 2:31 p.m. now by my time. So 14th yesterday, that's day for yesterday, I transferred 500 naira, as you can see. On the 13th of March, I transferred 300 naira. This is why I say buy things at your pace. Buy your appliances at your pace. You don't need to worry. Just every month you be paying gradually. Before you know it, you complete the payment and your goods will be sent to you. So I want to pay now. Remember, I'm paying for this phone. I'm paying for 2 items. I'm paying for Xiaomi Redmi 15, 8 gig RAM, 256 gig ROM. So I'm going to be paying for the phone now. They're saying me I have payment due is 20,766 in 5 days time. So I want to pay. Today is 16th March. So my due time is on 21 of March. That's 6 days to go. Look at it. Next payment date is 21 March 2020. But I want to pay the money now. I don't want to wait that. I don't want to wait till that time. So I just click on payment. Pay next installment. It comes here. I want to pay with my money box because I already have the money in my money box. Pay with money box. I select money box. 20,766 kobo. I click continue. Payment successful. Debit in money box completed. Payment status success. Okay. As you can see now, I've already paid. So payment progress 3/12 because I selected 12 months. I spread it within 12 months. I want to take my time to be paying. So it will help you. Those of you that want to buy appliances, you pay monthly, spread it 12 months, and then you pay monthly, and then gradually, before you know it, you completed the payment and carry your fridge or carry whatever you are paying for. So as you can see now, payment is already completed. So 3/12, 3 months/12, 25%. I've already total money paid so far is 62,100 out of 246,000. That's for the phone, for the Xiaomi Redmi 15, 8 gig RAM, 256 gig ROM. If you look at this one now, the Zilot X78M, I've already paid for this before. So my next payment now will now be in April. Next payment will now be in April for the phone. Next payment will now be in April, as you can see now. Next payment will now be April 21, 2026. Okay? Just do it gradually, and before you know it, you can equally buy a car. You can buy your car from like this, gradually pay gradually, and then before you know it, your car will be delivered to you. Stress free. Thank you very much.